Hey everybody, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out 5.0Resto's oil pressure sending unit extension and how you go about installing one into your 1979 to 1989 Fox Mustang. 5.0Resto's oil pressure sending unit extension is going to appeal to the Fox Mustang owner out there who is needing to replace an existing extension or anyone that is finishing up an engine build and is wanting new components to coincide with their fresh engine. Of course, this extension is rather simple in what it does. It properly extends the sending unit away from the engine block to ensure proper clearance. This extension from 5.0Resto is machined with factory tolerances in mind, so it's going to be a similar replacement to the original extension. It does have a 3.5-inch overall length, of course not including the male fitting on the end, a 3/4 inch diameter hexagonal stock, so it accepts a 3/4 socket or opened-end wrench, and the fittings are 1/4 inch NPT fittings. To ensure a long service life and to add to the overall look, the extension is zinc plated. Fitment-wise, this extension is designed to fit 1979 to 1989 Fox Mustangs equipped with the 302 based engine. In this video, I'll be showing you the easy steps on replacing an oil pressure sending unit extension on this 1983 GT. Prior to installation, be sure to have on hand some quality brake clean, shop towels, high temp thread sealer or Teflon tape, and an assortment of tools. Support the car via a lift or as high and as safe as you can get it if you're going to be working off of jack stands. If it helps, clean away any oil and grease buildup so that you have a better view of the area. Disconnect the oil pressure sending unit electrical connection. Loosen the oil pressure sending unit with a 9/16 opened-end wrench. Have a rag ready to catch any oil and then remove the sending unit from the extension. Either use a 3/4 socket with a wobble adapter and long extension, or if you have the room, a 3/4 opened-end wrench to loosen the extension. Remove the extension and wipe up any oil that may run out. Now, depending on your application, you might find it beneficial to remove the oil filter for additional work room. Before installing the new oil pressure sending unit extension, verify that the oil metering groove is free of any burrs or foreign material. If needed, lightly deburr the openings with an appropriate drill bit, and then use compressed air to remove any foreign material from the extension. You could also take this time to either thoroughly clean your sending unit or just simply replace it. Go ahead and apply a high temp thread sealant or Teflon tape to the male fitting on the extension and the oil pressure sending unit. Check to make sure the threads in the engine block are free of any foreign material. Install the new extension and finger tighten. Now, the approximate torque spec for 1/4 inch fittings is 1.5 to 3 turns past finger tight or 25 pound-feet. However, when torquing the extension, you'll want to make sure it's oriented correctly. While looking directly at the extension, verify that the diagonal end is facing up and towards the 2 o'clock position. Install the sending unit and properly torque it. Reconnect the electrical connection. Reinstall the oil filter if you removed it. Double check your work, and then you're good to go. Wrapping things up here, fellas, this oil pressure sending unit extension went right into place without any issues. When doing this, you may find it beneficial to go ahead and change the oil along with installing a new oil pressure sending unit depending on the condition that yours is in. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything that you saw in the video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.